Rosemount pressure transmitters are highly accurate devices used to measure pressure, level, and flow. These transmitters are essential for keeping track of assets, quality, safety, and environmental concerns. The user interface is updated, so the information you need is always at your fingertips. A common look and feel across hosts and tools provides an identical experience, regardless of how you are accessing the device. The new Setup Overview screen puts all the most common configuration items in a single place to get the device up and running as fast as possible. Menus are task-based and designed to require fewer clicks to access the data you need. Regular verifications, calibrations, and safety-proof tests are simple and easy with built-in device-led instructions which guide you through each process. A record of your work is saved within the transmitter for future reference of what was completed and when. Emerson, innovating to make your work easier, safer, and business more profitable. For more information, visit emerson.com/Rosemount3051.